up? I'm Kat with OCDetailing, and here we have a Tesla Model Y we're working on. Hey Joe, what are we doing with this Tesla?
Oh, I'm glad you asked, Kat. We're actually doing a full vinyl wrap on this Tesla. So it came in, and the guy was thinking he wanted a crazy color on it, so we picked this really cool green color by 3M, and we're doing a full custom wrap on it. After that, we're going to finish it off with CQuartz Finest Reserve. And what else are we going to do, Kat?
We're going to put Expel on this.
Really? We're not supposed to cut, Kat, because we are on video for camera. Don't cuss. Go f*** yourself. Okay.